In 2025, we have access to tools that just a couple of years ago seemed difficult. No complicated terms, no pressure. A good start, step by step, and easy to understand.
This video was created for educational purposes only and is not a financial recommendation. All actions with finances are everyone's personal responsibility. Make sure you understand and are prepared for the risks before you begin.
If you've ever thought about how you can become more confident in the future, this video is worth watching. In 2025, we have access to tools that just a couple of years ago seemed difficult. Today, I'm gonna clearly demonstrate one of those tools, a system that those who've never experienced trading can start with. No complicated terms, no pressure, step by step, and easy to understand. In this video, I'll show you where you can start if you want to understand the financial markets and understand how to make informed decisions. Watch till the end. I'll show you what trading ideas you can put into practice. Every day, someone takes a step towards new opportunities. Perhaps today is your day. I invite you to my trading community. Here I teach from scratch and show you how the market works in practice. Everything happens live. I trade, explain solutions, and analyze situations. You watch, ask questions, and apply knowledge. From the first day, only practice without complicated terms. If you want to try, follow the link in the attached comments. We're starting right now. When you understand how the market works, you feel calm. Now I'll show you exactly how I make decisions so that you can see the logic of my actions step by step. For the demonstration, I use simple settings, chart for 30 seconds, time 1 minute. This helps you see how the market behaves in the moment. I use the super trend indicator as a helper. If the line is green, the market is probably growing. If the line is red, the market may start to decline. The price has declined slightly and approached a level where reversals have occurred before. This is like a recurring scenario. Buyers often become active in these areas. As the market started to slow down in this area, I saw the green line reappear. This is a sign that demand is returning. I clicked up. The expectation was simple. Price would likely push off this level and go higher. A good start, the logic works. The market has gone even lower and has reached an area where it has often risen in the past. This area is called a support level, where market participants usually start buying. In parallel, the indicator changed color from red to green. This is a confirmation that the situation may change. I opened the direction up, expecting that the price will push back and the growth will start. A clear signal, we act calmly. After the previous bounce, the price approached the familiar level again, but now it didn't fail, but slowed down and started to rise. This often means that buyers are becoming more active. The green line continued to hold. For me, it's a sign that the growth may continue. I pressed buy again, expecting the upward movement to be confirmed. Everything's going according to the scheme, analysis, and confirmation. The chart started to stagnate. The price was fluctuating around 1 mark. This usually indicates that sellers and buyers are still undecided. When the price approached the lower boundary of this range again, the indicator showed green color. I could see that the participants were ready to raise the price. The decision is to open on the upside, waiting for an upside exit from this zone of silence. How do you like my trading? If you're watching this video now, it means that you already have a desire to learn new things. And this is a great start. I know that new things can be intimidating, especially if they seem too complicated or unclear. That's why I've created a space where every step is explained, understood, and supported. In my community, you can watch me live, ask questions, and dissect the market with me. It's all suitable for those who are just starting out. No overwhelm or complicated terminology. If this approach resonates with you, follow the link in the attached comment. Access to the broadcast is open, and I'll personally help you figure out where to start. A sharp change of movement appeared on the chart. The price went down. The indicator confirmed. Perhaps the sellers became more active. I went down. We watch the situation and work on the signal. After the decline, the price came back to a familiar level where the market often turns around. The indicator again showed that there is a change for growth. I bought. We move step by step, nothing too much. The trend has changed. The indicator suggested that the price might go down. I opened it down. The key is to proceed calmly and according to plan. The price began to move within a narrow range. It reached the upper boundary. The indicator signaled a decline. I went down. Keeping the pace, everything's going as it should. During another correction, the price came back to an important level. The indicator confirmed a possible decline. I entered the market on the downside. It's almost the finale. Let's see how this one ends. Price has returned to the lower level where there was a bounce before. The indicator showed again that could be a rise. I bought, expecting a repeat of the scenario. This is how strategy works. Observation, simple signals, and consistent steps. It's not a guessing game, it's a process. Remember, it's important to stay calm and always consider the risks. You've watched this video, which means you've already started to wonder how you can approach your finances differently. And now it's important to stay where you are or try something new. Not in theory, but in a live format where everything is laid out. I invite you to the community where we trade live every day. You'll have access to hands-on sessions, step-by-step action explanations, and support from those who have also just recently started. The link is in the pinned comment. Click, come on in, see how it works. And remember, sometimes one step can do more than a month of waiting.